We needed a new Hoover, so we decided to purchase this Shark PowerPro Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, and I wanted to share it with you what it looks like. We really like about it that it is lightweight and it holds the charge for about 50 minutes, which is also great, long enough. So then once you've done hoovering, you can charge it up again. I also love the fact it has these separate attachments as well. So you can clean stairs with it and you can also get into little corners. That is also great. It has also a boost button where it kind of gives it a bit stronger vacuum sucking, which is also great. And what I really love about this Hoover as well is that it doesn't need any Hoover bags. So you just open up the side here, this dust cup, and you empty it out. Obviously you can clean it every now and then, this dust cup, but it is very simple to empty out. And I really love that because obviously bin bags, vacuum cleaner bags always cost quite a bit. So that is a great advantage. We are very happy with it. We have been using it for about a month now, and we can definitely recommend you this Shark PowerPro vacuum cleaner.